What's good, y'all? Holla, Boy Jones here, back with another reaction, and today we're gonna do a double feature. We're gonna do HalaCG and we're gonna do Mr. Shwabadi, because why not? It's both chainsaw. We chainsawing out here, man. This is an interesting one for me. Hala and Peso Pete. I don't know what we're gonna get here. I just slapped the fuck out of my pop filter. I don't know what we're gonna get out of this one. This is an interesting combination of people. Let's just figure it out. After I let my cat out that apparently I locked in and she's crying. Hold on. We back. Let's start it. Yeah, this sounds like a Peso Pete ass beat.
Trying to test me, center still slick, pull the wire from my chest piece. I was in a rut, bad luck, all I'm getting. If I reach my dream, you can keep all those blessings. Listen, I might run amok inside that bitch. Tell me you might die. That dog is not my sister, homie. You the sweetest pie. Talk if you ain't listen, homie. Why you even try? The academy on my pivot, homie. I already died. Oh, he did already die. That is a truth. He does have a dog inside of his system that is keeping him alive. He already has died. Yes, that is correct. Contract with my dog. With my dog. Smack contact. He get whacked with my dog. This nigga showed me this verse. Hold on, I just realized. I think I was in a Discord where I heard this verse. I had no idea this was for Hala. That's crazy. Smack contact. He get whacked with my dog. Been a victim of the system, it been bad for my dog. I miss him, but I'm with him. Ain't no heaven where we gone. The dreams that I have. Yes, I did hear this, because I was like, yo, what is happening right now? Threw me for a loop. I was like, I had no idea where we were going, and I was like, is that Hala? Okay, I've heard this. Hey, good thing I'm making this a double feature. I'm just kind of re-listening. It's not like I retained much of it, but let's go. With this switch up. This is crazy. If you're down, just reach out, I'll grab your hand. The contrast. Devils running, they're running from the chainsaw. Inside of my head, I just wish you switch the ending. I don't know why, but saying Chainsaw Man feels so lame. Like, Chainsaw Man itself feels lame as hell to say. Like, there wasn't a more creative name that could. I get it. It's a man chainsaw. I just hate saying Chainsaw Man because it sounds lame as shit. But the contrast of her voice to the beat is insane, like goosebumpingly insane sounding. But I never heard her verse. Now that I think about it, I don't even think her verse was there. I think it was just a chorus. So let's go. My chest, take him to rest, painting all your vests red with a rev, engine never ends, dead attempts to collect, send him here next, set around my neck, wreck the rest and left him dead, well said. Hell, he's the devil man needs, cry baby wrong guy, but he just like me. Two I see, I'm fine, a lady, I need ya. Try save me, I'll save you, hey, we're a team. Until I'm all done, you cannot run, I'm on the loose. Coming for me dumb, I'ma just run blades up and through. Powers with power and a power your crew. Heart is in the right place when I'm faced with you. The dreams that are strong. This chorus goes dummy. If you're down, just reach out, I'll grab your hand. Reach out, I'll grab your hand. Devils running, they're running from the chainsaw man. Alright, what are we about to do? Devils hide from what I've become. Oh, I forgot there was another name in here. Holy shit. Okay, let's go. Run, devils hide from what I've become. With 3 blades, hitting, screaming, begging for some fun. All I live lies in dead, bent of anger, no one. Watch me now, slicing open devils for my little crush. Shinaki Hayakawa hit me with his tiny punch, so I slid away the blood and kicked him in his tiny nuts.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I didn't like that. That voice and hearing tiny nuts. No. Let's go.
Me with a tiny punch, so I slid away the blood and kicked him in his tiny nuts. There ain't no rules where I come from, but a what a fight. And if you try to test me at all costs, I will protect my wife. Get it right, bitch. Yeah, get it right, get it right.
The dreams that I have are strong. Half and half we fight through what did us wrong. If you're down, just reach out, I'll grab your hand. Ice and devils running, they're running from the chainsaw man.
Hey, Holla, can we do another song? Because, I mean, like, that Team Rocket song is aight, but, like, I feel like we could hit something crazy like this. Both of us singing, both of us rapping, some crazy shit. I feel like we could, like, this is, I like this. This is dope. Yeah, no, that was Fue Coco. Hold on. Mixed and mastered. Yo, you are mixed and mastered by HalaCG. You're getting good. You're getting good. You're getting really fucking good. Man, I hate mixing. No. I was gonna say I wish I could mix. I hate mixing. Mixing's ass cheeks. I don't ever want to mix. Yeah, no, that was good. That was good. All of the beats. Wait, did you make the beat too? Wait, hold on. Written and performed by HalaCG. Produced by Kiwwi. Kiwwi been killing it. Kiwi's been killing it. I need to get me a Kiwwi beat. Kiwwi been on a yo. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. The dream. Yeah, no, let's move on to Shwabadi. That was good. Again, I like it. Let's go. Okay, so we're over at Shwabadi's. Energy and craziness. That's what we're gonna get. I know it. It's called I Want Violence. Pretty self-explanatory.
I just think if I kill this guy, it ain't even really.
Hey yo, you are in the sides of my ears.
Look, man, I'm a simple dude, right? I have simple dreams. Let me talk to you.
Yeah.
I want violence.
Yeah.
I want blood. I want fire. Survival. Unlike it with dice. We saw. I want racks in my hands and a slut on my balls. I want violence.
I want racks in my hand and a slut on my balls. That's double entendre. Racks, he wants some money and he wants some titties in his hands, bro. He wants some racks, he wants some money and titties. Don't we all want that? Don't we all want that?
I want racks in my hands and a slut on my balls.
Yeah.
I want violence.
Violence.
I want conquest and war.
Yeah.
I want violence. I want blood. I want fire. Survival. Unlike it with dice. We saw.
Yeah.
I want racks in my hands and a
Slut on my balls.
I want violence, bitch. I want conquest and war.
Okay, see, so I hate all of you niggas specifically because I have to censor my channel so crazy ever since that stupid community guideline strike that, like, man, I want to be able to put slut in my subtitles and not get dinged for it, bro. I hate y'all. I actually hate y'all right now, man. Like, fuck y'all.
Sorry about that.
Okay. Actually, speaking of sorry about that, I'm not sure if y'all knew, but I have a Chainsaw Man song that came out. Downside the description. So go ahead and check it out after this. You know, just letting you know.
Sorry about that.
Okay.
Okay, let's talk it out. He roll with beast, but he come step into a slaughterhouse.
Okay.
That trigger temper, one wrong word, and then it all goes south.
Okay.
Don't fuck with old heads, I'm just trying to dick their daughters down. Wait, what are we talking about?
That's what I was about to say. What are we talking about? I ain't fucking with old heads. You trying to dick their daughters down? I ain't mad at you though.
What we talking about?
If he ain't got a vest, feel the pain in his chest.
Yeah.
The face with the blade when I aim for the neck.
Okay.
The chin and the flex.
Yeah.
The place in the tech when I'm making the pay. Homie, where I get checked.
If you hit me, me. I am for the people. Now I ain't got an equal. I am for a peak to peak. I am's for the steeple. And now they give me a sequel. So when I aim for top, she gave me a gleeful. It's Halloween with the brand, hella cerebral.
I was waiting. I was thinking of trying to do a brain Halloween line and shit too. So I feel you. Again, if you haven't read the manga, you don't know.
Halloween with the brand, hella cerebral. Dog, give me go to dog, give me Denji engine ripped and probably going see now it's done so back down awfully. Now they flock to me, bitch making me a property. She gon' call for me, yeah. I want violence.
I fuck with that, but that's a very like consistently used flow, but you did it in a very unique way. I like that. But like, hey, good shit, sir. Good shit.
Me, yeah. I want violence. I want blood. I want gore. Yeah, survival's a lie. Yeah, we dice. Yeah, we saw. I want racks in my hands and a slut on my balls. I want violence, bitch. I want conquest and war. I want violence.
Yeah.
Racks in my hands and a slut on my balls. I want violence, bitch. I want conquest and war. I want violence. Yeah. I want violence.
Yeah, pots and pans.
I want violence.
It's your man, pots and pans. Don't give a damn. Everybody knows I ran like I ran. What's the plan? What's the click? Pick a tam. Sick, big bam. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah. Nigga, freestyle champion on this bitch. Fuck y'all. Okay. Anyway, yeah, no, that was dope. I freaked with it. You know, I like that we got a little contrast here. Peep that I'm sorry. That we got Hala's nice, like cinematic. Ooh, every beat's kind of different as it's going through. Type shit. 3 different vibes. Like Peso Hala and Vienna sausages. I don't remember dude's name. All had like their own like little like thing, and it kind of like played off of each other. Also, the contrast of the like the verses and the chorus and stuff, crazy. And then we were like, Shwabadi's like, hey man, do you like energy? Do you like energy? And we getting straight to the point. Yeah, he got straight to the point. He wants violence, sluts on his balls and racks in his hands. You know, simple man, simple plan. Okay, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this reaction. I don't know what I'm going to react to next. Hey, put some stuff down inside the comments, all right? You know, like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, all right? I'll see y'all over in the next one, all right? See ya.